In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically apply late fees to customer invoices and send invoice reminders in QuickBooks Online. If you regularly send invoices, setting up automatic late fees can save time and help encourage faster payments. Instead of manually tracking overdue balances and adding charges one by one, QuickBooks Online lets you create a default late fee rule that applies automatically to overdue invoices. This can make your accounts receivable process more consistent and much easier to manage. To get started, go to the Settings menu in the top right corner of QuickBooks Online, then choose Account and Settings. This is where you can control many of the defaults that affect how your business operates, including invoice and payment-related options. Once you're inside Account and Settings, select the Sales tab. The Sales section includes settings related to invoices, reminders, and other customer-facing preferences, so this is the right place to configure late fees. Next, find the Late Fees section and click the Edit icon. This opens the area where you can customize how overdue charges are handled. Turn on the switch for default charge applied to overdue invoices. Enabling this setting tells QuickBooks to automatically use your late fee rules whenever an invoice becomes overdue, based on the setup you choose here. After that, enter either the amount of the fee or a percentage. The right option depends on how you prefer to charge customers. Some businesses use a flat fee for simplicity, while others use a percentage to keep the charge proportional to the invoice balance. Then choose your preferred frequency. This controls how often the late fee is applied, so make sure it aligns with your billing policy and the terms you communicate to your customers. If you want, you can also set a grace period in days. This gives customers a little extra time after the due date before the late fee kicks in. It can be a helpful option if you want to be flexible while still keeping your process automated. You can also edit the default name, such as changing it to something simple, like late fee, so it appears clearly on invoices. When everything looks right, click Save and then click Done. That's it. Your automatic late fee settings are now in place. Before you rely on this feature, it's a good idea to review your invoice terms and make sure your customers are aware of your late fee policy. Clear communication helps avoid confusion and keeps your billing process professional. Once set up, this feature can help reduce manual work and make overdue invoice follow-up much more efficient.